Good morning. Another day, day 3. Today is my husband, my producer, the guy behind the camera. It's his birthday. So I want to wish him a very happy birthday. I'm so happy that we're here to celebrate it in Cancun like we have done for the last several years. We are going to get up right now and go to breakfast. We're going to try the restaurant for breakfast instead of the buffet. It's part of the nightclub amenities, so we'll let you know how that goes.
What happened last night?
Your money went flying.
That's not what happened.
Good morning. Are you up? Have the dogs been out?
You ready?
I am ready. Checking in with the kiddo at home. Make sure the house is still all in one piece.
All right, let's go. Breakfast time.
Breakfast. At breakfast at La Hacienda, we ordered a vanilla latte, a vanilla cappuccino. They brought us some sweetbread to enjoy while our food is getting ready. I ordered the chilaquiles with green sauce and eggs, and you are having the American breakfast at La Hacienda, go figure, which is eggs, hot cake, sausage,
and bacon.
Yes, and then we ordered a waffle, banana, strawberry to share. So hopefully it's good. So far, it looks pretty delicious.
We got the restaurant on to ourselves. Why?
A private birthday dinner breakfast for you.
What did you forget?
My phone. Got my phone. This is the second time, right?
The outside world.
Outside to people know that I'm here. Nobody's gonna know that I'm here if I'm not posting.
And the dogs.
You know, there's no pictures and it didn't happen.
That's right. So we are in a cabana that we...
So we decided to rent a private cabana for today to celebrate my husband's birthday. We have a gorgeous view of the beach. The wind is kind of strong today, so some sargassum came in. But it's not too bad, and they're doing a really good job of cleaning it up. So we're going to sit here for a little while. We got bottle service, so they will be bringing us a bottle of vodka to put in our drinks throughout the day. So stay tuned for some tipsy reviews. So we have spent most of the day at the beach cabana that we reserved for the day. We've had drinks, a bottle of vodka, great service, a little bit of appetizers. Next, they're going to come and give us some facials while we enjoy this beautiful breeze.
You're in the sun. The water's cold today.
It is cold when you get in, but once you get in, it feels very refreshing. I think it's because the wind is very, very strong today. But the Diamond Club pool has definitely gotten rid of the spring breakers.
Oh, they're gone.
They're gone. We saw them all packing up this morning and leaving. So it's kind of quiet today, which is a little nice.
What'd you get?
Strawberries. We are walking down Golfkan Boulevard. I think that's what it's called. We left the resort. It's about a 10-minute walk over to Senor Frogs. There's not much going on at the resort tonight. I think it's like Mexican night, mariachi, and loteria or something like that. So we're gonna walk over to Senor Frogs and have some celebratory birthday dinner and drinks. So follow along. are a little tipsy. We were at Senor Frogs celebrating my husband's birthday. Had a little bit too many shots, but it was a fun evening there. It was very humid, but lots of fun. Came back to the resort, got changed. We're gonna go downstairs to Taboo and check it out and see if there's anything going on. Good morning, it's Sunday morning, checkout time at the Royalton Chic Cancun. We are sad to be leaving, but we will be back soon for another fun vacation.
Bye.
Bye.